everybody, it's SpacePlay12 or Mitch as you guys know me. I know it's summertime, so a lot of you guys are going to be taking your GoPro to the beach, surfing, bodyboarding, to the pool. So what I want to have in this video is for you to see how we can avoid those water spots on the lens of your GoPro. So I went to Walmart and I got a bottle of Rain-X. It's basically a raindrop repellent. So I wanted to see what it would look like before and after I put it on. So let me go ahead and go to the video. Let me just show you, what it looks like, the application for it, and then how did it really test out and come out. Okay. All right. So here we go. I have the Rain-X original here, water repellent. It was about $4, $4 or $5 at Walmart. I have this cloth. You got to be careful what you use. Actually, this is an old guitar cloth that I would use to clean. So apply that and then GoPro. All right. So basically, what you would do is you just spray just a little bit on here. And then you're just going to go over the lens of your GoPro. And the directions say that, make sure you cover the whole thing. And it mentioned that here in the instructions that you're going to have, let me read it to you. Apply Rain-X to a small folded dry cloth and wipe onto exterior glass using a firm circular and overlapping motion. Allow to dry until slight haze appears. So what I did is in this video you're going to see the before I put the Rain-X on and the after. I'll let you guys judge and see whether this Rain-X really does cut down on the amount of water drops that you get on the lens. And yeah, you give me a comment, tell me how you feel about it. Okay.